Hello friends, today's topic is RNN. RNN is a part of a deep learning model. RNN, Recurrent Neural Network. It is an artificial neural network. It is a part of a deep learning model. A recurrent neural network is a type of artificial neural network designed to process sequential data such as text creation, speech recognition, and speech performance, time series measurement, biological signals. Unlike feed-forward networks, RNN maintain an internal hidden state that carries information from earlier input while allowing them to model temporal dependency. They were among the first deep learning architecture to handle variable length sequence effectively and remain foundational to modern sequence modeling. How it works, how RNN works. An RNN possesses one element of sequence at a time. That means sequential data can perform at a time while updating a hidden memory vector. At each step, the network combines the current input with information retained from previous steps, enabling it to capture patterns and unfold over time. This recurrent connection structure allows the same set of parameters to be reused across all positions in a sequence, making RNN suitable for tasks where order matters. Strength and limitations. What is the strength and limitation of RNN? Recurrent neural network introduce a practical way to learn from sequential information and become widely used in a language modeling, speech recognitions, machine translation. Machine translation, that means you can give queries and prompt that can translate the data with behalf of your prompt. Weather forecasting, prediction that can give a prediction on the base of the sequential data. However, a standard recurrent neural network often struggle with vanishing and exploding gradient during training, make it difficult to learn at long range dependency. As sequence grow longer, important information from earlier steps can become difficult to preserve. Important variant. There are two important variants: LSTM and GRU. Long short-term memory and GRU. Gradient get rated units get rated units and long short-term memory. To address the limitation of basis RNN, researchers develop enhanced architecture of RNN, recurrent neural network. There are two type of enhanced architecture. Long short-term memory network use a specialized memory cell and gets to retain information over longer period, while gated recurrent units provide a simpler gating mechanism with similar goal. These variants significantly improved performance on many sequence learning tasks and became standard tools in deep learning before transformer based model gained prominence. Significance and modern context. Recurrent neural network play a central role in the rise of deep learning for natural language processing and sequence analysis. Many foundational advances in machine translation, speech systems, handwriting recognitions, time series forecasting were built on RNN based architecture. Although transformer models now dominate many large scale language vision applications due to their ability to model long length relationship more efficiently, RNN remain valuable in resource constrained environment, streaming application, and certain real time sequence processing system where sequential state updates are advantageous. Top application of RNN. First, natural language processing, NLP. NLP is a part of machine learning, machine translation, sentiment analysis, text generation, and autocomplete, named entity recognition. Machine translation, translating a sentence or paragraph from one language to another. It can give a one-line sentence, can create a number of lines, where lines may be a 50 words, 100 words. What you want can you get from this get from the desired result with the help of RNN NLP. RNN, recurrent neural network, excel at understanding and generating human language by processing words on very one, keeping the context of earlier words. Sentiment analysis, analyzing blocks of text to determine if the writer's tone is positive and negative or neutral. Text generation and autocomplete, predicting the next word as you type to compose emails or message. Predicting a word if you can write one sentence, then predicting another sentence, whether you can imagine in the mind what you are writing in the email. Name entity recognition, identify specific elements in text like dates, location, person names. Second application, time series prediction and forecasting, weather forecasting is a part of it, because time series data relies heavily on past history. That means static data. To predict future events, RNN are recurrent neural networks are highly effective in this domain. Financial forecasting, weather forecasting, analyzing historical price trends and trading volume for stock market predictions. Weather forecasting, predicting future weather condition, temperature, precipitation based on meteorological records. Speech and audio recognition. Audio data is inherently sequenced. RNN decode a spoken language by linking sound waves over time. Speech to text, converting a spoken voice command into written text for virtual assistant like Apple Siri. Music generation, composing new melodies or banking tracks by learning note by note sequential pattern. Fourth application is video and image processing by coupling RNN, recurrent neural network, with other architectures like convolutional neural network, CNN, convolutional neural networks. The model can process frame by frame data, video analysis, recognize human action, facial expression, gesture within a recorded video clip, image happening, taking a static image as an input and generating a sequential description of what is happening inside the frame. Advanced variants of RNN. While already had discussed in above topic, variants, RNN variants, same topic is here. While standing RNN are good for short-term dependency, they often struggle with long sequence due to vanishing gradient. To solve this, deep learning practitioners frequently use advanced architecture like LSTM, long short-term memory, retain information for long period, making them ideal for complex text generation and medical diagnosis. LSTM will be used in will used in medical diagnosis, medical science, for medical disease predictions. GRU, gated recurrent unit, is streamlined alternative to it is an alternative to LSTM that functions similarly but compute faster. It can LSTM cannot compute fast, but GRU GRUs can complete fast more rather than LSTM. This is a complete story of RNN, which can help various type of work in the field of machine translation, speech recognition, video, image, data processing, medical diagnosis, and etc. Thank you. If you have any type of question regarding RNN, please write the comment in comment box and ask the question regarding RNN. This video is finished. Thank you. Follow my channel Kaustubh Study Institute and like button to improve my performance. Thank you.